to Jar Masala, and today we're going to be showing you how to make iced chai using our black tea.
I have some milk chai that I already made. If you want to know how to make the milk chai, you can go to my channel. There's a video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some ice. Now I'm going to pour the chai. And to have the creamy taste, I will add some creamer. And this is optional. The milk tea already is sweet. So if you don't want to add the creamer, you don't have to. But with the creamer, it just makes it more rich.
Please subscribe to Jar Masala for more recipes using our masalas. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at Jar Masala.